Peppa, if you tell me not puddles, you must wear your boots. My pig is working on her computer. Daddy, can we have your glasses? Shoes. Daddy or not, here I come. Oh, that's so brilliant. That's so good. The acronyms is not funny. Nope. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brown coat. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. The new car. Today, Peppa and her family are going for a drive in the red car. Shall we have the roof down? Yes, please. Peppa shows the car. Is everybody ready? Ready? Then let's go. I love our car, and our car looks just too, don't you? Oh dear, the car does not sound very well. What's wrong, Daddy? I don't know. Let's take it to Granddad Dog's garage. He can fix it. That's a good idea, Mom Pig. Granddad Dog runs the garage. He is very good at mending cars. Oh dear, Daddy Pig, your car does not sound very well. Can you fix this, please, Granddad Dog? Yes, but it will take all day. Oh, we wanted to go for a drive in our car. Don't worry, you can borrow this new car while I fix yours. Thank you, Granddad Dog. Really? Would you like the roof down? Yes, please. I'll just press this red button. What a clever car. Wow. When you come back, I will fix your car. Thank you, Granddad Dog. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Oof. Peppa and her family like the new blue car. There are so many buttons in this new car. What does the green button do? Let's see, magic windows. Daddy, make the magic windows go down. What does the blue button do? I don't know. Let's see. Cup. I love this new car. Can we keep it? No, we can't keep it, Peppa. We'll only borrow it for today. Oh no, I think it's going to rain. Yes, I'll just first to the roof up. Now, where is the button to close the roof? Oops. Silly me. Aha, this must be the button. Cup. The new car has quite it filled with water. Silly Daddy, that's not the roof. This button. Oops, not the one. This button. Daddy has forgotten which button to close the roof. I don't think this car likes me. Let's try the red button. Hooray! But now it stopped raining. Can we open the roof again? Yes. This button waits. The red one. Hooray! Granddad Dog has fixed the car. Your car is fixed. Thank you, Granddad Dog. And keep the change. Thank you, Daddy Pig. Goof goof. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye bye. It's good to have our old cars back again. I like the new car, but I like the old car better. And I think our old cars like you too, don't you, Beep Beep? Goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching.